Emra and Nedjumadi so rise to fame. And your network shack. And when I think more free. Say Oba Winiba na Ope baby atena Jojo ho. Ope baby atena Achilia and one network shack. Me can form when there. Say Ope Drum Papa di open some panoma and one network shack. Omo numbers in the Google screen I see. From Monano more entry and come more. And one of the finest musicians or UEW and I think more Ewojumadi so stick and stay me come home me ba na can be a bro. I mean sign Emma Kwaba Emra Jumadi so rise to fame and your network shack many a Toxido and I think more Ewojumadi so Toxido I'm Kwaba Emra rise to fame so
yeah media yeah media and I will be there so
Toxido where have you been?
I've been around. I went into hiding. Yes, for a while. I just needed to sit back and relax, think about myself and the music, and prepare better and quality music for my fans. Yeah.
Now, for the sake of Omomo Sheye, you can say Toxido. Saying abesi, I describe it. If I now free by, if I now start school.
Yeah, Toxido, a young boy. Yeah, me wo Konongo. My name Papa to me a free fire Emmanuel. Yeah, I went to school at Holy Virgin Preparatory School. Moved to the SHS Ejosomai. Sake of one or two things, I had to come back to SHS again, and I completed at Wesley Senior High School, Konongo. Yeah, then I came to the University of Education, Winneba, where currently I'm reading political science in education.
Toxido, na enjum no send is starting now.
Yeah, Nyom started way back in I think it's a primary class 4 to 5. We near a train this is the TS card. It's classified under hip life music. I know you all like it. Like myself, Eugene and Mr. Freshes. I know see one other serious artist that Ghanaians should watch out for. Yeah.
Yeah,
so that is how it started. Yeah, but we didn't get the chance to go to studio to record. Yeah, so me studio me recording was I think when I was in Ejosomai Form 3. Yes, then that was when I recorded my songs. But I'm performing with school. People didn't know say like me a recording artist. They knew say I had the voice and I sang people's song, but yeah, they are not tell me school now me releasing my first song no. And Moka say, now we but back then, no, I wasn't the solo artist. I near your group, near Freya Snipers. Yeah.
So far, how many songs do you have to your credits?
So far, me want brave, but near release out near like I think 11 or 12 or so. Yeah. Like numbers and to me yeah.
All right. Currently also a University of Education winning by social science and social studies
faculty
of social. Okay, all right. Currently no over campus no say now see who enjum campus
enjum campus na enshade ni high sir Yeah, though we have artists around, but the school itself is centered on training teachers and not others. We have a music school here, but we don't even see how the school projects these people are almost say almost music, you know. Yes, and into ama bibia koye book. Into ama music are very slow our campus, but aside that, event organizers are trying to at least showcase upcoming artists that are our campus.
So how will you rate campus event organizers from 0 to 10?
From 0 to 10? Yeah, more like 6.
6.
Yes.
Meaning they are really trying.
Yeah, they are trying.
See, when you perform most of the stages, so and program be in course when you perform
oh yeah, maybe from level 100 I've been performing throughout, but it looks like I say level 300 I say like my because I needed to connect with myself and bring up something very good to the public, and focus on every release and any performance baby, so yeah, kaka, yeah.
So how is music like in Konongo?
Music is very good in Konongo. We have so much artists, the likes of Wansem, Current Boy, Option, Ken Quest. We have a whole lot in Konongo. Charlie, the boys in Konongo are really doing the work, but we are hoping that God will shine His light on us. How
do you feel seeing Blacko break through the node outside free Konongo?
Oh, many they be me like if I'm moving through the net now I say yes nyanko point then I be, because we never, though we after ne cry for me, we all knew that this guy was going to break through, but we never knew that it will come this fast. Yes, into you baby I drew na yeah.
I believe say Unjuma Ewabontin a video attached to most of the song. How many videos do you have on YouTube?
Currently I have only one video. That was Fame of my Born a Champion EP. Yeah, that one crying. I when say me personally me person me shoot video, I need to. And until I'm my videos be bring by out, and because I need a quality work out. So what I said, but this video was like I was there and a friend called me Side Truth Direction, yeah, and it was like, oh, I need you for a video shoot, so come. So when I went, I didn't know it was even my video that he was shooting, and we shot it and he edited it and gave it to me, so I released it on my YouTube channel, and I think that's the only video, official music video that I have on my YouTube account, but we are working on other music videos and it shall be out soon.
So what is the name of the channel?
The channel is Toxido GH. Yes.
Okay, into the four me I follow Toxido YouTube Toxido GH. Now what any videos nibi okwa all no na all like it na all comment it now I subscribe it. Send I'll drop a new video now. You'll be the first person to watch. Toxido Oba campus, I believe that there are a couple of musicians also more than. Is there unity among campus musicians or artists?
Unity. Actually, the school is not giving much of platforms to artists. So it's more like we are all fighting for our own stance, right? I don't know if to say we are united or not, but the few people that I've met, they are very cool. When you play your songs to them, both released and unreleased, oh, you need to like at least do something here and other stuff, that means that that person is having some kind of love for you and support for you. Yeah. So the few people that I've met, I see that they are very good and they wish us to connect to each other, not just on campus, but to this music career thing is over. Yeah.
Right. At the form of your one thing, meaning say and will be and the person who wish to be like you. What I say, MBA or story, a motive in Pakro, but so or tundum so a foot to be our massa and Pakro.
Asama mekache ni Pakro and say, Opesa way a musician, you should stand firm. I was a much of
okay. Toxido, a football now, woman, a campus, a artist.
Campus artist. I will just tell them that they should focus on what they are doing, and there is much to the art than just campus. So they shouldn't just think that they are campus artists with the little fame that they are getting from this campus. They are okay with that. They should strive and get past this being tagged as a campus artist. You need to be tagged as a world artist.
At the form of your one thing, meaning say and will be the person who wish to be like you. What I say, MBA or story, a motive in Pakro, but so or tundum so a football now, massa and Pakro.
Asama mekache ni Pakro and say, Opesa way a musician, you should stand firm. I was a much of voice training, so a rapper. I also when in terms of writing, yes. And aside that, you need to know, say, you are working with someone. When I talk about working with someone, a much and I say more of spirituality aspect. So if you want to move with God, you need to pray hard and wait for God's time. If you want to go to the juju lie, you have to focus there, because you can't be a musician and be this part-time Christian thing. So person we hit ya na so be kojuju so person ni nyame nante a ani nyame nante no anso wonsa ntwe enko. And I will tell you, say wo twen nyame mra o so wonsa obi antimi nso wo mu, because or the wo kwa or the wutu te se kanea ato unzi ato kanea say ya eto you can't catch the light. What do I say? Kanea na betimi atọ so, but wontimi nche kanea no sanity.
From this time to say after we and moving into next year, what should your fans expect from you?
My fans should expect something crazy, something mad, something that will bust their mind, because we are working so hard. Myself, my producer, Found Cross Beats, and other few friends be a woman chain from day one. The world and my fans, and also quality musics to hear. Okay. Yeah.
In 2 sentences, then I'm a catch Konongo musicians.
I catch Konongo musicians say they should never give up. We are just starting, so they should never give up. I know that in time or in God's time we are going to make it.
All right. Final ways to the fans out there and on social media, baby. You follow, I bet me. I follow. I copy it. You won't do me to be betting there. So I can't.
Okay. My final words to the general public and my fans. They say, Mr. Omar, say they should support me. You should listen to my song. They should share. They should recommend my songs to other people. Yes. And I know that we are going to get there. and I know that I am going to provide them or feed them with quality music. Yeah, and the social media handles Toxido GH. Toxido GH, Toxido GH. Yeah, on all social media, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok. Yeah, it's Toxido GH. Yeah, and aside that, and so open Boomplay, Audio Mac, SoundCloud, everywhere, and also Toxido GH. Yeah.
Me di tum say o start a vision we and a talent we will discover hono I will do ho shame so your music no nipa ba community me support what me aboa o mo hwe we I said that man na o de mom betimi e dey platform na there.
Me pesa me ka say obi a wa boa me da, even obi a wa tonsio kra da ama me no me ka chen se Nyankopon yen de insha no akoma pa wo ma me a wo de aye de wo de etu ni etu ele ne sachet ni bottom eyi sikato nsuo mame. You know, we say water is life, and you know me obi a waye bibia mam bia da bia no me nyino especially fan cross beat was summons from day one, recordings, directions or no pub photography, ne bills who can hold you hey school mo say oh met me aka say obi nim Toxido ne bills nyamin sharpa. And big thanks to Boss Gang. I'm one of the first people on my platform at campus, and I really delivered, and now I am who I am on campus. Se meka se Toxido ewo wini ba campus Boss Gang for na mame that platform no mame there me showcase me talent na me share o so
enti ene mene Toxido ena twetwe nkomo ewo dwumade so Bob massage efa dwumade hoka na oba wini baha ana o central region ha na honam oya omututu na open massage there mekanfo Bob massage ema omo numbers na etwagu ewo screen ase from na ono omo eni twetwe business conversation sanso na Adrian creation so eso ya sen open flyers open jingles voice overs mekanfo Adrian creation ema omo numbers na etwagu wi from na ono omo enye business emum. Until then, it still rise to fame with new walls. Until then, you better share.